Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to put Facebook pixel on your WordPress website. Maybe we expect that you created your pixel and you have your pixel ID, so we're gonna learn how to put it. Some people use use code, and we have the easiest way to do that. So if you're using WordPress, that's gonna be good for you. If you're using Joomla, if you're using Drupal, I think Facebook also, they created something for you who is using Drupal or who's using Joomla to help you, assist you with that process. So once you have, the only thing you need to do is to have your own pixels. So why do we use this formula? We're going to use this formula because it's easier. When you use a different formula or method, it's okay, but now the problem is, one, it gives you like you have to paste on each and every page your code. You don't want to see yourself pasting 100 times and tomorrow you're gonna create new content and all that. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your WordPress and click on click on plugins. Yes, we click on plugins. Once you're in plugins, I'm gonna show you the thing you have to. Facebook for WooCommerce. No, it's gonna be official Facebook pixel. So that is the plugin I did install, but let's look for it here. It says official. Yeah, you search that term. No, I didn't want to see that. I have to go here at new. After going to new, you don't if you download it's fine, but I prefer to use no, that's the thing, that's something else. I prefer to use this what they call, I prefer to use that search and say official. Okay, once we get it there, it's okay. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna download this one. It also says by Facebook, simply means Facebook created it. So once you're done with the installation, you're gonna click install. There's gonna be a button like this. You click install, but on this one, it's called Grow Your Business with Official Facebook Pixel by Facebook. So once you're done with that, then you're gonna be good to go. That's the plugin we wanted to use. So you click on plugins again, and after plugins, you go to that Facebook for WooCommerce, Facebook. You go to this and say settings, and it's gonna ask you for the pixel ID. You can put in your pixel ID. I believe you have it. Enabling this and whatever. Also send event advice from your website to Facebook through conversation API. Okay, this can also help you capture more events. Access tokens require to use the conversation API, so it's fine. Then we're gonna say save. Once you have saved, you're gonna see that it's gonna give you some other stuff here. It says enhance e-commerce analytics for your WooCommerce store. Exact metrics Pro give you detailed stats and insights about your customers. This help make data-driven decision about your content. Okay, they talk a lot of things here. They say get exact merits. Okay, this well, you can't get that. They want on people who are using is it they don't want people who are using pro version. Let me see. The upgrade. Oh, they also sell it. Okay, but everything here, it was free, no problem, so you can proceed with other stuff. Now we showed you how to do that. And also there's another error which comes sometimes when you try to install it. It will ask you that it needs a updated WooCommerce. So when you install it, when you say install, it doesn't install, and when you download it and upload it, it will never do what you want to do. So now what did we do? We did deactivate that and renew. We did deactivate that, and we did what? Delete it. And also we went and put what? A new one. We went and put a new one. After putting a new one, then WordPress stopped giving us that error. So the error, it went out, but I'm just telling you in case you bump into a problem you don't know, so you'll be able to fix that problem without any external help and without delaying your work. So that was the way we install this. So it said get access tokens. Let me see what's going on there. Start see whatever posts and stuff. Okay, you can read on this. So if you go to your thing, you after setting up, maybe give it some few days, then you're gonna start seeing and get your merits and the results in for your website. So now I wanted to see if it has more on that. Okay, Facebook Pixel, when you click on that, what do you get? You only get this, that it wants you to do this. So I thought it's gonna give us some plugins, some graphs, but anyway, I just installed it now. But it doesn't have much complicated things. They just developed it to do exactly what them want you to benefit. So there is a pro version, as they say. It does many things. Many things. If you click on that, that's when you're gonna know the pro version what it does. So guys, thanks for watching, and we really appreciate your support each and every time, and we humble ourselves to say that we do make mistakes too. But if you see any mistake we made, please try to comment and make us aware of what we did. And also, even you can teach us or lecture us on whatever we made mistakes. You might be an expert in that domain, and then you would like to advise, because we do a couple of videos here. Some of them we are intermediate in that, let me say, function in that in that sector, but some of them we do the perfect ones, because we do what? Because we have a broad understanding of those topics, you get me? So now that's why we appeal that if you see any mistakes, please help us and we fix our mistakes. Yeah, no guys, don't forget to subscribe Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.